Hello, my name is Cesar Regalado, and I am a rising junior at Yes Prep Southeast. And I've reached my second milestone in my hand gesture controlled robot by being able to now wirelessly control the robot with the glove I've made with the flex sensors attached. So as you can see, I've sewed on the flex sensors. I have 4 of them, and I just sewed them on, and the connections for these wires included a 5-volt wire, a signal wire, and the ground wire. So each one has its signal wire, the green one, connecting to the Arduino, and the 5-volt and the ground wires all connect to a single wire that then connect to the Arduino. And so over here's my robot. You've seen it in the last video, but I don't think I went into detail about it. I have my Vex motors, and they have a motor controller which has servo leads. So I just connect those servo leads up to the Arduino, and as I said in the last video, I have an XB on each Arduino. It's a XB Series 2. And yeah, that's that allows me to connect to the robot wirelessly. And so on my coding process, I found the inputs of the flex sensors readings, and I turned those values into characters. That way, the Arduino on the receiver side would be able to detect which character is which. So I put 4 different characters for each flex sensor, and the receiver side receives these characters, and it turns those characters into instructions for the robot. So I want to do a little test demonstration with the glove and the robot. So I've programmed 5 different instructions for the robot with the hand gestures. So if I want to go forward, I would just bend this thumb, and if I want to stop, I would just make sure that none of the flex sensors are bent. If I want to turn right, I would bend all my fingers except for this one. So. If I want to turn left, I would bend all of my fingers except for these 2. And if I want to go backwards, I would bend all my fingers. Okay, that's wrong.